all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So be sure you make it right with these 5 amazing smoothie recipes using all natural ingredients you probably already have at home. What you'll see today are the basic recipes. Feel free to include or exclude things as per your liking or what's available in your kitchen as per seasonal fruits. Smoothies are excellent ways to sneak in veggies in your diet, as with these recipes you will not even taste them, and amp up its nutritional value by adding healthy seeds like chia seeds or protein powder, and the list is endless. So what are you guys waiting for? Let's get rolling for a healthy and delicious week. As a bonus, I'll share few tips at the end for making a flawless smoothie experience. Though you can notice throughout the video as well. Let's see how observant are you guys. When you wanna get into a race with the rest, your breakfast need to be better. Who said to kick off Monday blues? You need something blue to set you for the week. It's time to add some healthy awesomeness to your diet. So here comes your wholesome orange Monday smoothie. Check out the ingredients in the description box as well. Pour in the liquid first, that's half cup orange juice. I prefer fresh, no need of any juicer. Simply use the back of a spoon to squeeze out all of its goodness. You can always use store-bought ones. Just make sure added sugar is minimal. Then dump half cup Greek yogurt for protein. Top it up with frozen fruits, 1 peeled and frozen orange, half peach peeled and frozen, 1 shredded carrot to make it a more wholesome breakfast. Half cup peeled and frozen papaya. Cover with a lid and blend them well to a smooth paste-like consistency. And voila, it's done. Garnish with some more shredded carrots and enjoy your wholesome Monday. Then comes our radiant Red Tuesday smoothie for the vibrant glow to keep you fresh and nourishing from within by providing the much needed hydration to beat the summer heat. Details of the ingredients is provided in the description box. Start with half a cup of fresh pomegranate juice, half cup Greek yogurt, half a banana sliced and frozen, half cup frozen raspberries, half cup frozen strawberries, 1 cup watermelon cubes. Blitz for a smooth consistency smoothie. And garnish with some fresh pomegranate seeds, and you are set for a radiant Tuesday. By midweek, when you need something interesting and motivating to get going through rest of the week, what else can be better than this bright and beautiful treat for your eyes, Wednesday Yellow Tropical Twist, which tastes equally good as well. Drop in half a cup of fresh pineapple juice, half cup Greek yogurt for much needed protein, with half a banana frozen and sliced, half cup frozen pineapple cubes, half cup peeled and frozen mango cubes, and half a teaspoon grated ginger. Cover the lid and blend it well, and with some more mango cubes and mint leaves for the added visual effect, you are good to go with your tempting tropical Wednesday. By the time we reach Thursday, most of us are drained out. To amp up our energy, boost your diet with none other than much needed food rich in antioxidants to liven you up. Here comes your purple Fairy Berry Thursday. Pour in half a cup cranberry juice, half cup Greek yogurt, half a banana sliced and frozen, half cup frozen blackberries, 1 plum frozen and diced, 1 cup frozen blueberries. Blitz it well to this smooth consistency and garnish with a sprig of mint, and get going for your Berry Thursday. It's always better to prepare yourself, as in cleanse your body, Before you plan an indulgent weekend, best to have something clean, something healthy, yet something delicious. Then it ought to be something green. Here comes our clean and green Friday smoothie. Whenever possible, I prefer to sneak in veggies in my smoothies. Let's start with half a lime or lemon juice. Dump in half a cup Greek yogurt for much needed protein, 1 diced avocado, half a green apple frozen and diced, half cup peeled and frozen kiwis, half a banana sliced and frozen, handful of any greens. Mine has baby spinach, chopped kale and few mint leaves. Blitz them well. Trust me, you won't even taste the greens at all. Garnish with a slice of kiwi and enjoy your green and delicious Friday. Now, as I mentioned before, as a bonus, I'll share some tips for a smooth smoothie making. Hope you noticed I added liquid into the blender first, which aids in the blending process. Second, I use frozen fruits which I freeze them myself. A video is coming up soon on how you can freeze them at home instead of using ice cubes, which would in turn make your smoothies watery and not so delicious. Third, I use Greek yogurt over regular one to keep my smoothies thick, so I can even scoop it out with a spoon. If you prefer a thinner consistency, use regular yogurt. Last but not the least, if you are not a morning person like me, or even for others who find it difficult to cook in the morning, as part of your meal prep, you can pre-package your fruits in a freezer-safe Ziploc bag in advance, so your morning breakfast would be just a cakewalk. If you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below, or can mention any of your requests. As always, get subscribed if you aren't already for more such yumminess. Check out other healthy recipes on my channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.